that voice. Okay. Um, all right. So yeah, everyone, welcome to pre-law semester two. I'm not sure how many of you guys were here last semester, but this is mainly for kind of new people and that people that just don't really know what our pre-law kind of does. Just a general overview. Then at the end we'll have some time for some questions. Okay, so my name's Mia, pronoun she, her. I'm a fourth year. My major is international business with an emphasis in Italian and Western Europe. But right now I'm actually starting like my joint master's in global business development. So I'm kind of half undergrad, half grad student, kind of in the middle right now. And then I'm doing my minors in Spanish and interdisciplinary studies, and I'm looking into doing immigration law or municipal law or any type of law. I don't know. And my fun fact is that I met Cristiano Ronaldo when I was like 8 years old, and it was really sick. So that's me. And if you guys kind of have like general questions about anything throughout the semester, feel free to text me about it or anyone else you're gonna see on board. But I try to respond within like a day, day and a half. So yeah, just DM me on GroupMe. Yeah. Okay. Our VP, I'm not sure if she's here, but I'm sure you guys have seen her around. Yeah, super cool chick. Poli-sci major, women's studies. Yeah, super cool. You guys will see her around. She'll be active, but I think she's in class right now. Charlize, if you want to introduce yourself.
Sure. Sorry, I'm literally like at the Starbucks on campus right now, so if anyone else is here, hi. I'm also a fourth year. I'm majoring in journalism with a concentration in media studies, and I'm also pursuing my public law certificate. If you have any questions about that, I know it's kind of complicated and Professor Fletcher isn't super responsive sometimes. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Yeah, I'm interested in sports and entertainment law. So if anybody is interested in that and needs help building a network or like finding an attorney to shadow or anything else, feel free to message me. And fun fact, I coach youth competitive soccer. So if law doesn't work out, that's probably what I'm gonna do. And yeah,
Awesome. Thanks, girl. Okay. Lauren, not sure if you're in class, if you can introduce yourself. Okay, there you are.
Yeah. Okay, hi. My name's Lauren. I'm a third year and majoring in finance and minoring in philosophy and interdisciplinary studies. And my fun fact is that I studied abroad in London in the fall. So I'm excited to be back here and actually doing the job of treasurer.
Awesome. Thank you. Um, Marcos, I think he got caught up in some interview, but that's bro, third year, criminal justice, crim law. He likes to rock climb. Pretty sick. All right. Misha, I don't know if you're in here. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Misha. I'm the public relations chair and I'm a senior. I'm a psych major and a poli-sci minor. And I'm also really interested in sports and entertainment law or also civil litigation. And my fun fact is that I speak three languages.
I didn't know that. What languages do you speak?
My parents are from India, so I learned Hindi and Punjabi when I was younger. And like we still speak it and stuff at home.
Good. Okay, look at you. Awesome. Do you want to introduce yourself? I think, yeah, there you are.
Yeah, hi everybody. My name is Pierre. I'm the social chair. I'm also fourth year. My major is philosophy and my minor is Mandarin Chinese. I don't really know what kind of law I want to study yet. I'm kind of interested in everything, and my fun fact is that I like to surf.
And then we have John. I know you're driving. If you don't want to.
Hi, Joshua. So I'm your AS representative, basically, help with the funding of the club. History is my major, minor in philosophy. I'm really interested in like corporate law, maybe even getting into like civil litigation, stuff like that. And me and my dad, we both play the trombone, so I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's about it.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, I was about to say, I think that's everyone. But yeah, this is kind of good to know so you guys can reach out to us like if you have specific concerns. If you like DM us on Instagram, like chances are you'll be talking to our PR chair. If you have issues with your dues, reach out to Lauren. If you need some like notes from the meeting or like network stuff, reach out to Charlize, like just whatever, and we're all here to help you guys out. But yeah, you can reach out to any of us to answer your questions and we'll figure it out. Okay, so it's kind of our mission statement. It's kind of something we've been doing for like about a year, but I think it's just helps people get like a general overview of kind of what we do. I'll just read it for you guys. I know some people are driving, walking to class, so I'll just read it real quick. Pre-Law Society at San Diego State University is dedicated to supporting students from diverse backgrounds in their pursuit of a legal education. Our organization provides a welcoming and inclusive platform where members can explore the field of law to gain valuable insights into their journey towards law school. Through engaging meetings, we offer a range of opportunities, including guest speakers from various legal professions who share their experiences and knowledge. Additionally, we connect members with LSAT prep tutors and offer comprehensive resources to equip them with the tools necessary for success in the law school application process. Our mission is to create a relaxed and supportive environment that empowers all members to navigate the path to law school with confidence. So pretty much, I mean, we're kind of the general pre-law society. I know there's specific like Latinx, first gen, but we kind of just focus on everything in general. Just give as much resources we can find. Um, so yeah, it's kind of just more general, but later I'll be talking about the different pre-law orgs that you can see if those work for you, if you find a community that you kind of relate to more, you can feel free to check those out. Or if you want to just double up and just go to some, like all of our meetings, that's cool too, whatever works with your schedule. So we'll give them a shout out and you can kind of figure out kind of what works best. But yeah, we're just kind of a general, we do it all, so yeah, just a little overview. Okay, something, I'm not sure if you guys did this last semester. I think you guys did one of them, but whichever we didn't do is the one we're going to do this semester. So I'm not sure if you guys did resume or LinkedIn, but we're going to shoot to have one type of like professional development workshop. So it can be like a resume one where we kind of help you guys put together a resume, but we can do this to make it more tailored to the law school application if that's what you want, because it is a little different. And then our last LinkedIn workshop that we had was actually really cool. I don't know if you guys were there, but we kind of me and the last year's VP, we kind of talked about LinkedIn and kind of how to kind of boost that and to make it a little more comprehensive and like representative of what you've done. And then at the end, we kind of all connected with each other and shared our profiles and gave each other advice. It was actually really nice because we don't talk much in our meetings, so that was like really good to kind of get to know each other. But yeah, we'll do one of these two. If you guys have any other ideas, you can let us know. But these are kind of just the two like general vague ones that we've done before that have worked really well. So yeah, something to kind of look forward to. And obviously, kind of the main thing that we do is to have guest speakers. These usually tend to be like attorneys, but it can also be like law school admission coaches or LSAT prep companies or even like authors that have like published books about being in law school or tips for law school or professors. Like we've had a few professors before. And I think that's really helpful because it kind of shows everything you could do with the JD if it isn't just, actually practicing law. So yeah, kind of it just depends based on semester to semester, whatever speaker we get, but it's kind of a general overview. We kind of try to get a good range of everything. Just so you guys kind of have, I don't know, get to know every side of, every career you can do with just having a JD. So yeah, you guys can kind of skim at this at your own time. But yeah, Kimberly Fletcher, she's our advisor. She's gonna come speak next Monday, I believe. And yeah, I think she's just gonna give us a rundown of some like law school tips, and you can reach out to her, and I think she will help you a little with your application and with kind of timelining that. Don't take my word for it, but I know she kind of does that like one-on-one work a little bit. And um also, if you want to be a part of the pre-law homeroom, just shoot her an email. Just be like, hey, can you add me to the pre-law homeroom? I'm interested in, pursuing a JD or whatever, and she'll add you to that. And with that, there's like a lot of information, a lot of resources, announcement, like everything you got is everything's in there. So really helpful. So yeah, that's kind of all I have to say on that. And my board, if I'm kind of missing anything, just jump in. I mean, I'm kind of just going off the dome. So just interrupt me if you guys need to. Okay. Um, okay, law school tours. Again, something that we try to do like once a semester. And this could be kind of a collaboration with another pre-law org. So I think last semester you guys did USD law, so maybe we'll do Cal Western, or if we really can, maybe UCLA. It just could be pretty difficult with like transportation and everything, but yeah, you can expect a law school tour. We usually have them free of price, and we kind of organize our rides and all that. So yeah, that can be really fun. For that, you can expect us to like accommodate you with like the travel, maybe food, drink, whatever we can cover, So I wouldn't stress it too much. Usually you don't have to pay much, and we kind of set up a carpool system. Um, yeah, and also, yeah, there's student or faculty guided tours and Q&As, and then also just networking. You guys can kind of talk to each other, which, like I said, doesn't happen much in our meetings, so that can be really nice. So yeah, who can participate in this? Usually we just have it open to like due paying members, and to kind of RSVP with us just to make sure that we have enough spaces. Um, and yeah, am I missing anything, guys? Anything you guys want to add to that? While I like catch my breath for a second. Okay, great. Um, okay, this is kind of a little overview of our pre-law community that I mentioned earlier. I think this is all of them. Um, so we have Latinx pre-law. I think they just started this semester and they're doing a very good job. They're absolutely killing it. Um, Big fan. First gen pre-law, I think we've done some like socials with them or something. um AAP, or no, yeah, APLS, um really good org too. These ads, like that's like their Instagram ads if you want to screenshot it, or whatever. Black pre-law, mock trials, super good. Empowering women in law, eWill, these are all really good organizations. They kind of do something similar to us, but obviously more focused into whatever they're you know whatever they want to focus on. And yeah, so we're kind of more general. Maybe with this you can find more specific support if like first gen, or if you want to do empowering, like whatever. um Mock trials definitely more heavy on like work, because you actually participate and stuff, so just be aware of that when you're applying. I think these meeting times are from the past semester, but yeah, if you go on their Instagram, you'll probably find information on how to join and how to get familiar. But yeah, it could be really helpful to join these and to just keep your options open, and don't just not saying don't just come to pre-law, but just see what works for you. It's all cool. This is a little link to our pre-law advising. This will kind of connect you with Fletcher. So yeah, there's a lot of cool things to see right here. Okay, Lauren, do you want to talk about dues for a minute, or should I do that?
Yeah, for dues, I got the sheet for anyone who paid for the full year. If you paid $30 last fall, then you don't need to pay dues anymore. And I have a sheet keeping track. So if anyone is unsure, doesn't remember how much they paid, feel free to message me and I can check and let you know if you still have to pay $20 for the next semester. Or if you're new and you just want to pay for spring, then it'd be $20 as well.
Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, remember if you paid for the full semester or I mean for the whole year rather than just a semester, just reach out to Lauren. We'll kind of let you know where you stand with that. And Lauren, do you want to explain this whole how to pay dues? Because I know it just got kind of complex. I think you're on mute, girl.
Sorry, yeah. Thanks. We normally have it linked in the GroupMe, I feel like. So you can click the link there and it'll bring you to the website where you have to enter how much you're paying, and you type in Pre-Law Society into the organization name and our account number, and then your student email and phone number and payment method. Or you can just bring cash to any meeting and I'll write that down.
Awesome. Yeah. This is the QR code that'll lead you to that website. And yeah, if you need help, if you can't figure it out, just bring us your phone and we'll kind of walk you through it after a meeting. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for dues. Yeah. Okay. Next thing is t-shirts. We usually have t-shirts like every semester, but I'm not sure if we did that last semester, but that's something we definitely want to do. And this is covered by your dues. So you guys don't need to worry about like paying for that again. We already kind of put money aside for this. So yeah, in a few weeks, sorry, I just like lagged. In a few weeks, we're going to be asking you kind of for your t-shirt size. I don't know if we'll do a Google form or just a little poll in the group chat, but keep an eye out for that. I'll probably have it up for maybe like 3 to 4 days. So just make sure to just keep an eye out so we can get your size so we know how much shirts to actually order. And something that I just impulsively thought of last night was having like a little like t-shirt design competition. I feel like a lot of our t-shirts for the past like 3, 4 years have kind of been like the same vibe and like whatever. So if you guys kind of are familiar with like Canva or like graphic design, um, you know, cook us a logo or like whatever. I think it'll be really cool. And if you're interested, just send me a picture of your little design by February 8th. And just to like let y'all know, like we're not looking for something like too formal. We want it to look kind of wearable and like to kind of not like represent, but kind of like give off like brand vibes rather than like school organization. So you can make it like fun and cute and like colorful um and yeah, kind of play around with that and just be creative. We don't want it to look too serious. This isn't like a work shirt or something. It's supposed to be cute and like wearable. So yeah, if you guys want to participate, let me know. Just DM me a picture by February 8th. And then after the e-board, we'll vote on our favorite one. Just because I feel like this is kind of faster, it can be kind of hard to get like everyone's votes in, and it just takes a while, and I kind of really want to get on this fast so everyone has time to pick up their shirts before the semester ends and we all go home for summer or whatever we do. So yeah, is that fair? Or if you guys really want to vote on that, we can have it open, but that was just I literally thought about this last night. I haven't talked to like my board about it or anything. But yeah, if you guys have any like ideas for that or like how to kind of vote for that if you don't think that's like completely representative, let me know and we'll change it. And yeah, and then the winner of the logo t-shirt design competition, I'm thinking that we'll give you guys kind of some extra shirts of that if you guys want to give some to your friends because like you made it and that's something you should be proud of, and you definitely have flexing rights for that. And then also you will have access to kind of get shirts from prior years. We have so many shirts from like ancient ones, like 5 years ago, 6 years ago. I think I don't know who has them. I used to have them. Maybe my VP has them, I'm not sure, but we have them somewhere, and you guys will get like first dibs if you win that competition. And it's really cool. You can have like hella ancient pre-law shirts. Okay, do we have any questions about that so far, or anything I've said? Okay. All right, I think we're good. Okay, grad stuff. Okay, this is something that we always kind of forget to do, but I'm gonna try to make it a priority. I think this semester we will be giving out purple quartz to all seniors that pay their dues. We're hoping to get them by mid-April, but again, just like the t-shirts, we're gonna send out a poll to see who's gonna be graduating so we can kind of get a head count, order them, and then give you guys enough time to pick them up. Um, and yeah, and also just I'll talk about this a little later when we do kind of elections. Oh my God, I didn't make a slide on elections. But kind of a little incentive to apply for eBoard. Those of you who like do eBoard when you're graduating, we're gonna do like stoles with like the little pre-law logo and a little name. I don't know, it could just be cute, and I know some people like eat that up, like little grad stuff. So that's a little incentive if you want to be on the eBoard as a senior. Yeah. So okay, getting into elections a little bit. We're gonna have elections probably like around April too. Um, we're gonna, yeah, basically just restart all our roles. We'll have a info session about that. Probably before April, just to give you guys enough time to submit your stuff and apply. It's usually just answer a few questions. We'll post them on a big Google Doc, and then people will vote. And then yeah, we'll just do it that way. There isn't much like prereqs you need for that, except if you're running for president, you have to be on the e-board at least for 1 year. But just depending on how many people are interested in that, we can change that up. Also for studying abroad, if you are studying abroad 1 semester, you can kind of run with like a partner. So like one person will do the first semester, and then when you leave, the other person will do the other semester. So you guys can apply in teams. Kind of that's what I did with Charlotte. So she did first semester, I'm doing second semester. So it's something to think about if you just want to talk to people, if you're interested, but you're studying abroad, kind of talk to your group chat, talk to whoever, and kind of see if you can make a little team like that to be on eBoard together. Any questions about that so far? We'll definitely have time to talk about that later too. Okay, awesome. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This is our link to our group me if you're not in that already. And then by our probably a few days after dues need to be paid. I think that's February 13th or 10th that we said. We're gonna start taking people out that didn't pay dues. Um, so yeah, so for now you guys can be in it and kind of just see the vibes if you wanna invest your money into this. And if not, then after that we'll be removing you. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Board, do you guys have anything to add? If not, do we have any questions? Are we good? How do we feel?